It's the level of detection and user without impacting the user experience. That's our number one differentiator. The second one is our compatibility with all stack and all cloud provider. And finally, it's the SOC team that is available 24/7 to make sure we are always at the state of the art of the detection, and we can really help our customers rely on us to protect all their assets online. So when our customers have a special launch, for instance, in terms of product, a change in their stack or their infrastructure, they can reach out to our SOC team 24/7 to get support and have the best expert on the planet to have a look on the specific situations as a proactive mode before launch, for instance, or in a reactive situation where something happens when there is an outlier in the traffic and they want us to investigate on the traffic. That's what we offer to our enterprise customers.